we're going to do a little bit of work on mini Moto. It's the Moto Madness. We've got a bit of a leak on the carburettor, so the carburettor's coming off, and we're going to check that so the new jet cat point is this one. Because it's such a little bite, my feet do actually touch the ground. Now, all 5'2" of me can get my feet flat to the floor. Right, so the carburettor's coming off today. Really nice, easy to design. And there's a spring clip here. Right, that's not spring clip. Spring clip's here. From the fuel. So just pinch those together with the pliers. Not covered just a little bit. It's alright, but cover a little bit. Pull this one off. Right, they're both off. Now just 2 bolts to undo with the socket. This is going to be fun down the field. And we're off to go on the workbench. We need to take a bit close up. See why it's sticking. Can't have fuel pouring out, not in the field, not in Spain when it's 35 degrees yesterday. And it looks like it's going to be hotter today. It's finger tight now, I'm just going to loosen it off. I've been holding onto the carburettor so it doesn't drop. Just untighten that nut and then the cord's going to come off. Oh, and there we go. Oh, we've got another. Right, so I'm going to the other side now. I'm just going to disconnect the last bit. Obviously, you just unscrew it. Making sure the bits don't fall out. And that's the float needle hanging precariously there, but the carburettor's off. So carburettor to the workbench, and we're going to give it a quick oil. Alright, so that's the carburettor on the workbench. Just need a small Phillips to take out 2 screws that are in there. One. Wow, it's hot already. You must be hitting 30 already, I think. Take this one out. I need to get a little stand for my camera. Little workbench stand would be good. As you can see, I've got a fair bit of fuel coming out, but not too much to do too dramatic. All you safety warriors out there, I'm drying it up. Okay, so that's the top off. go, have a little look inside. That's the top off. Next step. Looks to be good. Little blow down there, make sure it's coming up clean. Okay, we're going to replace, put that back in. Making sure the float needle's in the hole. Oh, a bit tricky. It's fell off. Let's try again. That's back on there, so it might be an idea just to hold your finger at the top. Float needle back in the hole, and then we're going to put the pin back through that secures the float. Remember that bit, the bit that fell out? Back in. Okay, look, all looks to be good in there anyway. So we might have to replace the seal, but at the moment I haven't got one, so I'm just going to pop it back, tighten it down. Might need another seal. So just the reverse of what we did before, just tightening the two screws down. Going back to the first one, tighten it down a bit more. If you fully tighten one side and then try to do the other side, you're likely to crack the casing. So partly tighten it down, then do the tight again. There's alright. We'll put it right, and the run's alright. She was running alright, but there was fuel leaking out. But then it may be the gasket round here. And this part here, this is the choke. So if you didn't know, there it is. It's got choke written on it, so it's fairly simple. It's going to be a nice little bite to work on, this one. Put it on, go.